milk. That PB. Only a PB.
PBB.
PB and B.
Peanut butter and bread.
Peanut butter and bread. Welcome back to another Wednesday follow-up. Today we're following up on the poplar breadbox.
Poplar breadbox.
Yeah, people like that project, bro. I like that project, dude.
It's right there.
Mm-hmm.
It's right there. It's looking at me.
It's right there. I talked to you about this a little bit, but I'm saying that's the fun thing about woodworking, dude. It makes you like excited about the most boring things
Not a
ever.
bread box.
No, bread box, yeah. Not like average, everyday, ordinary item. Just like, dude, have you seen my dope bread box?
Can't get excited about a new car or anything. Just...
No, it's my bread box.
I made a shelf for my kitchen.
I never will. What was that?
Ghost.
It's not that close to Halloween.
Click on the bread box. Are there more species that are pleasant smelling to work with than there are not?
So is there a higher ratio of smell good woods and
To smell bad wood?
smell bad woods?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think there's pine smells good. Both cedars smell great. Oak smells great. Walnut smells really good. It almost, it doesn't smell like a burnt match, but it has that like pleasant, like sort of burnt match smell. Like that same, it's a savory smell. See, poplar's like that hardwood that everybody forgets about. It's like used for upholstered furniture.
It's the unseen hero
It
of
is.
the woods.
Once you put some finish on it, it's kind of like it's like the Cinderella of woods, dude. Alright, would that make sense? Wasn't she like the dingy adopted daughter or something?
I don't know. I don't
the
remember
evil
if she was,
stepsisters?
she was adopted.
Well, weren't they called stepsisters though?
Yeah, and an evil stepmom.
Yeah, okay, so she wasn't adopted. Poplar's the Cinderella, like, you know, you put the wipe-on poly or the glass shoe on there, and it's like, damn, I never realized it. It's like the prince was like, I don't care what woman's out there as long as your foot fits in this thing. I'm into it.
It shows you what his priorities were, obviously.
Hey, yo, dingy street girl, come on.
Come on, Dingerella.
Oh yeah, Gary wanted to know what I'm going to do about the door sticking. It was rubbing in the shop when I first assembled it, and I sanded it down to where it wasn't rubbing, and now it's rubbing again. Gary, I think just a little bit of sanding will fix that. He said you could write a song about not needing any darn gloves.
An old Howling Wolf blues song. Them gloves can go to hell.
Heard from CJ and Working Man. They both like that project. Yeah, on our last follow-up, we asked, do you prefer Lowe's or Home Depot or
Harbor Freight?
Harbor Freight.
Oh yeah, Chad was talking to me about that today. He said he watched it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chad's a busy man.
Chad is a busy man. So what was the consensus? What is everybody?
Remy. Home Depot. He said that's where Daddy raised me.
In the Home
In
Depot.
little Home Depot.
Like those faux kitchens they have set up. He's in there just cooking up some scrambled eggs.
After school now.
After school now.
Go on. J Mess says he has better luck at Lowe's. He said Harbor Freight is great. So that's one Home Depot,
One Lowe's, one Harbor Freight, sort of.
Gary, Home Depot. He said it's closer and he thinks the employees are nicer.
You know, the employees...
That is something I would agree with.
The employees have a lot to do with it, man. Honestly.
That's why I'm transitioning to Home Depot, because I was a Lowe's man. Gary said he started buying a Harbor Freight though. Part of the secret thing in the description.
Uh-oh. I missed out on that.
Uh-huh.
What does Gary have to say about it?
Well, he was talking about our time travel banter in there. And he said that's almost as confusing as Adam not installing the Ooga horn.
Okay. So some follow-up on that. I buy this Ooga horn, right? And it's massive, okay? The thing is like this long. Horns on cars are never, like, they almost never go bad. The manufacturers pretty much always stick them in hard to get to places. Like, I'd have to take off my entire grill. So yeah, I would have had to install a whole new circuit for that to be practical and find a place to mount it.
Adam has a Bigfoot at his
I have a Bigfoot, or it's probably a bear, we don't know. Maybe a dinosaur.
Or a dinosaur. Jesse Shivers, I've been hearing a lot from Jesse Shivers. New to the Means Woodshop fam.
Welcome, J Shiv.
Said Home Depot has the better choice of lumber. You stand on pallet wood.
He doesn't even look like he's dabbing. He looks like he's a fucking slide to the left.
So today's weekly question. I've asked before what your favorite wood is to work with, and now I want to know what your least favorite wood to work with is. Maybe Purple Heart. I think Purple Heart is. It stinks and it's hard to work with. You try running it through your table saw and you just get a lot of like pressure. Like it's hard to feed through, and it's not nice to sand. Purple Heart's my least favorite that I've worked with so far. Adam, what's your least favorite wood to work with?
Fiberglass insulation. I really
That's your least favorite wood?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so I want to know what your least favorite wood to work with is, though. Doesn't mean you can't like it as an end product, but just...
We'll make it a two-parter. I'll throw one in, actually, as well. What's your least favorite wood to work with? And what's your least favorite make of car to work on?
Any of them.
It's fair. I'm sure there's a lot of DIY guys that subscribe to you.
CJ asked me about working on cars, but that's a long
See you
time
next
ago.
week.
Yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm. And this Friday there will not be a project video. It'll be a continuation on the wood species basics, and then the following Friday, special video coming out.
Oh.
So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on Friday, and we will see you another time. That's top-notch quality content right there.